Hi guys, today is all about ultrasonic cavitation and radiofrequency skin tightening. This is my 8-in-1 unisession ultrasonic cavitation and radiofrequency skin tightening machine. This is the original one that I started my channel with, and this is an updated version of this machine. You can see that this one is smaller and more compact than this machine. This is still a great machine, and it is still available through My Chai Way. This is just a smaller, lightweight, portable version. So I'm going to go over both of these machines with you today. I'm going to talk a lot about ultrasonic cavitation and radiofrequency skin tightening. I'm going to talk about how to test your machine to make sure it's working properly on the cavitation, the radiofrequency, and the vacuum. And then I'm going to show you what modes that you should be using your machine in. And I'm also going to talk about what to expect and what you should be doing before your treatment and after your treatments. I'm Joan Johnson, and this is Beauty Over 50 on a Budget, where I do body sculpting, body contouring, and sprinkle in a little bit of anti-aging and skincare. If this has sparked your interest, please consider subscribing to my channel. Ultrasonic cavitation is a non-surgical fat-reducing treatment. It uses ultrasound waves to target stubborn fat. This treatment offers a way to slim and contour your body without surgery, pain, or downtime. Ultrasonic cavitation reduces the fat thickness in stubborn areas where diet and exercise just won't work. How ultrasonic cavitation works is it sends ultrasound waves into the fat area, causing a disruption in the fat cells and causing them to burst and to drain. And that in turn causes them to shrink. Once you bust up the fat cells and they turn to liquid, you need to expel that toxin out of your body. If you're not properly expelling it out of your body, you're not going to see a result with these machines. And you might even feel a little bit sick. You could get a headache and feel kind of sick. So it's really important that you drink a ton of water with these machines. Water is going to be your best friend. 48 hours before you start one of these treatments, you're going to want to drink at least 2 liters of water. And continually drink water throughout the day up until your treatment. Then once your treatment is over, you're going to continue to drink more and more. I like to work out right before my ultrasonic cavitation and radiofrequency skin tightening treatment, and I'm continually drinking a lot of water, low carb, low sugar diet. I do my treatment, and because I want to sweat, you can work out afterwards as well. What I like to do is wear sweat garments. So I'll wear a sweet sweat abdomen belt. If I did my abdomen, I'll wear a sweet sweat armband or thigh wrap, because I want to continue to sweat. And I won't take a shower for a few hours after I've done a treatment because I want my body to sweat. That's how you can set yourself up to succeed when doing these treatments. Results can sometimes happen immediately, but don't get discouraged if they don't. It is recommended to do between 6 and 10 sessions, 3 days apart. You never want to repeat a session before the 3 days. It takes 72 hours for your body to be able to expel all of those toxins that you just created using these machines. You can also do a lymphatic drainage massage or do an infrared spa. That will also help achieve optimal results, because there again, it's all about sweat and toxin elimination. When I like to do my treatments, I like to do the ultrasonic cavitation for 15 to 20 minutes, the vacuum therapy for 10 minutes, and then my radiofrequency for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on my body part. You can do your whole body with these machines, head to toe. You have radiofrequency around your eyes, your face, your body, arms, torso, legs. You can see immediate results with radiofrequency skin tightening, but the lasting effects will come within 6 months. In the first 24 hours, you can expect to see redness and a little bit of swelling, and it might just be a little bit tender, but it goes away pretty quickly. Optimal results will be 6 to 10 treatments, 3 days apart. You can download the PDF on these machines through the My Chai Way website, and I will leave links to these machines and the PDF in the description box below. It's also really important that you use a conductive medium anytime you're using any one of these machines. I like to use this ultrasound gel, and I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. I buy it in the 5-liter, and then I just transfer it into a smaller bottle because it's easier to handle. Okay, I'm going to show you how these machines work and show you some of my before and afters. Okay, first I'm going to show you the cavitation on the 8-in-1 unisession and how to tell if it's truly working. First of all, when you put the ultrasound gel on your skin and you turn this on, you're going to hear a loud, high-pitched squeal. That's the first clue that it's working properly. The second is you can do a water test. So that's how you know that your ultrasonic cavitation is working. Your radio frequency skin tightening, you're going to be able to tell by putting your ultrasound gel on and holding it in an area, and it's going to heat up. If it doesn't heat up, then you know that it's not working. But these are powerful machines, so you just want to be careful that you don't burn yourself. That's how these devices work. They heat up the deep layer of the dermis, and in turn, your body creates collagen and elastin. Okay, how do you know when your vacuum is working? Hear it, first of all, it's sucked all the way up on my arm, and it's sucked up on my arm. So what are the purposes of each one of these handles? This handle, the cavitation handle, is to send ultrasound waves into the fat cells and bust them up. The vacuum handle, the function for this is to help disperse the fat cells that you've busted up with the ultrasonic cavitation, help your body eliminate the toxins through your lymphatic system. So you're going to use this vacuum after you've used your ultrasonic cavitation. The purpose for the radio frequency skin tightening handle is to heat up the deep layer of the dermis, causing micro injuries. In turn, your body will produce collagen and elastin, and this will give you your lifting effect. Okay, let's go over how to use this 8-in-1 unisession ultrasonic cavitation and radiofrequency skin tightening machine. We're going to go in order of operation. So this is your cavitation, which is this handle. You have a mode A, which is a constant, and a mode B, which is a pulse. Then you have your energy. It goes from 1 to 9. You always want to start out at a low energy and work your way up until you see how your body is going to react. Again, these are salon quality machines, so you want to make sure that you're starting out slow and working your way up. Then here is your timer. You can go down or up and then start. The next is your vacuum therapy, and that's this one. This is the one that's going to help your body to get rid of all the fat cells that you just busted up with your cavitation. So you always want to make sure that your suction is greater than your release. I usually set mine to a 6 and a 3. Your energy level and mode A or mode B. Mode B, the radio frequency turns on as soon as it touches the skin. So see, it doesn't come on. It comes on. Then it goes off. Mode A, the radio frequency stays on the whole time. This knob right here on the side of your machine is going to control the suction to your vacuum handle. So if your vacuum handle is not sucking hard enough, this knob is going to control that. Your radio frequency skin tightening handles, again, your energy up and down. You want to start out at a lower energy. Mode A is a constant. Mode B only turns on. Mode A is a constant. Mode B only turns on when it comes in contact with your skin. The cold hammer, you have mode A and mode B for the cold hammer and your energy level. Mode A is cool and it gets very cold. It feels so good. Mode B is warm. Okay. Then you have your different radio frequency handles. This is the one you would use around your eyes. And again, mode A is a constant. Mode B only turns on when it touches your skin. This is the one that you would use for your face. Again, mode A is a constant. Mode B only turns on when it touches your skin. And you can feel the heat right away when these turn on. This is your microcurrent and LED light handle. This handle has mode A, B, C, and D. Your energy levels, and then start. Then it also has buttons on the back. Auto mode, on, it automatically defaults to green. Then you can put it on auto mode and it scrolls through all 7 of the colors while it's doing a microcurrent. So this is really great for toning and tightening the skin. Okay, that's this machine. Now I'm going to go over the smaller machine, the smaller, more compact, lightweight machine. Okay, this is the smaller, lightweight version of the other machine. This is very lightweight and portable, and it comes with 4 different handles. So it automatically defaults to the cavitation, and you have an M1 mode and an M2 mode. The M1 is a constant and the M2 is a pulse when using your cavitation. You also have your energy up and your energy down. You always want to start out at a low energy and work your way up. This is your function button. It'll automatically switch it over to the radio frequency for the body. That's the larger handle. I love this machine because it's so user-friendly. You just do an energy up or an energy down depending on what you can tolerate, your time up and your time down, and start, and it automatically starts. Touch your function key again and it goes to the face wand. That's the 4-prong. Same thing, your energy up or down and start. Function key goes to the eye. That's the 3-prong. Same thing, your energy up, your energy down, your time up, and your time down. Start. That's how easy they've made this machine. This lightweight machine will come in all different handle sizes. You can get a 9-in-1, you can get a 4-in-1, you can get a 5-in-1. They have all kinds of options for this lightweight machine. Everything I use in my videos has links in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.